Title: Leading with Purpose and Unity. Dear students, I am honored to present my manifesto as a candidate for the position of School Prefect. If elected, I promise to lead with purpose, integrity, and a commitment to fostering unity within our school community. Here are the key principles I will uphold. 1. Effective communication. Open and transparent communication is vital for a thriving school environment. I will establish platforms for students to express their opinions, ideas, and concerns. Regular meetings and suggestion boxes will ensure that your voices are heard and acted upon. 2. Student well-being. A healthy and supportive environment is essential for our growth. I will prioritize your well-being by advocating for mental health initiatives, organizing wellness programs, and ensuring access to counseling services. Together, we will create a safe space where every student can flourish. 3. Academic excellence. I believe in the power of education to shape our future. I will work closely with teachers and administrators to promote academic excellence. By organizing study groups, mentoring programs, and academic workshops, we can motivate each other to reach new heights in our learning journey. 4. Inclusivity and diversity. Our school community thrives on the diversity of its members. I will foster inclusivity by celebrating our differences and promoting cultural exchange. Through multicultural events, awareness campaigns, and diversity workshops, we will create a welcoming environment where everyone feels valued and respected. 5. Service to the community. We have a responsibility to give back to our community. I will organize volunteer programs, charity drives, and initiatives that address social issues. Together, we can make a positive impact and cultivate a sense of compassion and empathy within our school. 6. Inspiring school spirit. I will boost school spirit and pride by organizing spirited events, pep rallies, and friendly competitions. Let's create an atmosphere where everyone feels a sense of belonging and takes pride in being part of our school community. 7. Leadership development. I am committed to nurturing leadership skills in every student. Through leadership workshops, mentorship programs, and opportunities for involvement in decision-making processes, I will empower you to become future leaders and agents of change. With your trust and support, we will create a school environment where every student feels valued, inspired, and empowered. Together, let's embrace diversity, strive for excellence, and foster unity. Vote for me as your school prefect, and together, we will make a lasting impact on our school community. Thank you for your confidence. Isabella.